Welcome to RV Road Report. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Ram Camper Van Motorhome, a vehicle that's more than just transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Built for those who crave both freedom and comfort, this long-bodied 4x4 camper is painted in a vibrant pearl white that sparkles under the light, instantly catching every eye. In this video, we'll cover every detail, from exterior design to the hidden luxuries inside, so stay tuned for the full tour of this $76,000 adventure machine. Exterior, front view. Let's begin with the front profile. The iconic Ram logo sits boldly on the grille, representing decades of rugged truck heritage. The LED headlights are sharper and more aerodynamic than ever, giving the motorhome a commanding stance while improving night visibility. The bumper is reinforced for durability, while subtle chrome accents add a touch of elegance. Standing here in the showroom, the sheer width and sculpted hood make the 2025 Ram Camper Van Motorhome look powerful, reliable, and ready for any terrain. Topside view. Moving to the roof, Ram engineers didn't waste an inch. You'll find solar panels neatly aligned for maximum efficiency, perfect for charging while parked in sunny landscapes. The AC unit ensures cool comfort even in the hottest climates, while the aerodynamic antenna system keeps you connected with satellite TV or Wi-Fi no matter how far you travel. The top view also highlights the streamlined shape that reduces drag, showing Ram's focus on both performance and practicality for road trips. Back side view. Now let's check the rear. The extra-mounted tire is not just a design element, but a smart backup for off-road journeys where reliability matters most. Next to it, the bicycle carrier allows you to bring along 2 cycles, adding flexibility for exploring trails and nearby towns. The rear doors open wide, giving direct access to the storage and sleeping area inside. With tough hinges and weather-resistant seals, the back is designed for heavy use without sacrificing style. Side view. On the side, the long body truly comes to life. The highlight here is the fold-out awning tent, designed to create a shaded outdoor lounge space in seconds. Imagine setting up chairs, grilling dinner, or just enjoying the evening breeze under this built-in canopy. The clean side panels carry Ram's design DNA, while the tinted windows add privacy and keep the cabin cool. It's the perfect balance of rugged adventure and home-like comfort, all from a simple side glance. Driving compartment. Stepping into the cockpit, you'll feel like you're in a premium SUV rather than a camper van. The leather-wrapped seats are wide, adjustable, and supportive, making long drives effortless. 2 LED screens dominate the dashboard. One is a high-definition infotainment system with navigation and entertainment, while the second doubles as a rear-view digital mirror for safer maneuvering. Added USB ports, cup holders, and intuitive steering controls remind you that every detail has been designed for both driver comfort and road safety. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driver's cabin lies the heart of the van, the living zone. A sofa-cum-bed setup allows you to relax during the day and easily convert it into a cozy sleeping space at night. The cushions are high-density foam with weather-resistant fabric, ensuring durability. Side windows bring in natural light, complete with privacy blinds for nighttime. Small cabinets are cleverly tucked overhead for extra storage, keeping the space clutter-free while still feeling homely. Kitchen. Moving on, the compact kitchen unit is a traveler's dream. It includes a mini refrigerator, dual-burner stove, microwave, and stainless steel sink, all carefully fitted into a small corner. The countertop is scratch-resistant, and below it, there's extra cabinet space for utensils and groceries. The kitchen is positioned smartly near the seating area, so you can cook while still chatting with your family or watching TV. It's compact, efficient, and designed for life on the go without compromising on meals. Washroom. The washroom is small but surprisingly practical. Ram engineers managed to fit a toilet, shower, and compact sink into this tight space, making it a true all-in-one solution. The waterproof walls and anti-slip flooring make it safe and easy to clean, while a small exhaust fan keeps ventilation fresh. Despite its size, the bathroom feels functional, and the clever use of corners ensures nothing feels cramped. For road trips, it's an essential comfort that elevates the travel experience. And that's our complete walk-around of the 2025 Ram Camper Van Motorhome, a perfect mix of power, comfort, and technology. From its rugged 4x4 wheels, long body design, solar roof panels, to its cozy interior, this camper is built for dreamers who want freedom without limits. At around $76,000, it's a serious investment but one that delivers long-term adventure and value. What do you think? Would you take this camper on your next big trip? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.